What's up, guys? Are you on the hunt for an absolute powerhouse 5G smartphone in 2026? Well, stop right there. Today, we are talking about a device that is going to make your heart skip a beat. We're looking at a DSLR level camera, a monster battery, and it's all coming from a brand we've trusted for decades. That's right, today's hero is the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Now, if you think Nokia is just a brick phone from the past, this device is about to completely change your mind. Stick around until the end because we're breaking down the leaked specs, the insane features, and most importantly, that shocking price tag. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. The display. First things first, the display. The moment you see this screen, you're going to fall in love. We're looking at a massive 6.85-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. It's got a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, which means your gaming and streaming are going to be next level. But Nokia didn't stop at just looks. This thing is packed with an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 water resistance rating, and the latest Gorilla Glass protection. It's basically the perfect mix of stunning and built like a tank. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because this setup is going to leave you speechless. On the back, we have a quad camera array, featuring a massive 200 megapixel main sensor. We're talking crystal clear detail in every single shot. And it's not a one-trick pony. You also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, a 32 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel macro lens. For all my selfie kings and queens out there, the front houses a 32 megapixel shooter that makes every snap Instagram ready. Battery and charging. The name is Oxygen, and fittingly, this battery life lets you breathe easy. It packs a monstrous 7500 mAh battery. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. To top it off, it comes with a 125-watt superfast charger. Nokia claims you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. You could literally grab a cup of coffee, and by the time you're done, your phone is ready for the entire weekend. Performance and software. Under the hood, this phone is a literal beast. It's powered by the latest and most powerful chipset on the market, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's running on the brand new Android 16, which means heavy gaming, intense multitasking, and 4K video editing will be buttery smooth. This isn't just a phone, it's a portable supercomputer. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the part everyone's been waiting for, the price. Despite these flagship-killing specs, Nokia is keeping it incredibly competitive. We're expecting the starting price to be right around $990. As for the launch, get your wallets ready, because the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is expected to make its big splash here in the USA in just a few weeks. So, what do you guys think? Is this the ultimate comeback for Nokia? Is this the phone that finally knocks the big players off their throne? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts.